coming to court, and then they introduced the idea of doing Shockwave later.
Yes.
So tell me about that.
So I had been coming because I subluxed my shoulder, and I couldn't get it better on my own. Couldn't get anywhere by myself. So I started coming, made a ton of progress, but then would hit a wall and backslide, and then get better, think I wouldn't have to come anymore pretty soon, and then hit a wall and something would happen and I would backslide. And it was very frustrating for both the therapist and myself because we knew we were almost there. We knew we were at that last hurdle and just couldn't get over it. My therapist, Brittany, decided to suggest Shockwave, and I said, I'm willing to give it a try because I just want to be myself again. And we tried it, and it was crazy how well it worked. And I felt a difference with the first one. I think we ended up doing 5 or 6. And by then, I could really feel the healing begin. And the difference is amazing. Like the range of motion I got in my wrist, the range of motion I got in my shoulder, the fact that I could start to exercise the shoulder and make it stronger was ridiculous because that wasn't even a place I could go before. Like just trying to hold a weight or hold my own body weight in a plank wasn't going to happen. After the Shockwave, I could start to do those things so that I can make myself stronger. So hopefully preventing some of that backsliding. And it has definitely worked.
When was the last time you had a Shockwave appointment?
It's been quite a while. I had a backslide for some reason this year in November, which was really strange. We don't know what caused it. Where my whole shoulder kind of got inflamed and it inflamed my wrist.
Okay.
So we decided to do one more to the wrist, and it was immediate. By that afternoon, the difference was incredible. 2 days later, the dry, chapped skin on my hand was all healed. Especially, It looked really different compared to my other hand. It almost looked like I had 2 different hands.
So your arm, literally, you could see it get healthier.
Yes.
That's amazing.
So not only could I feel it, but I could see it. So I love to paddleboard. Once I subluxed my shoulder, there was no paddleboarding for me. This past summer, I was able to paddleboard again, which is huge.
That's
it got me back to my functional life, and that's